Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on monday.com. So let's start. First of all, what we have to do, we have to search this on the Google. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, it will be open. We need to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now, it's here. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, it has the option for the get started. Now we have to choose that which format you want. For example, I want the creative and design and the task management and the HR and the IT. And then simply I'm going to click on the get started, and after clicking on the get started, we need to wait for a few seconds until it load again. So now simply I'm going to click on the continue with Google. So let's click on the continue with Google, and I'll be able to see I am going to select my this email. So let's choose this email. So you also need to follow these same steps, and let's click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue, we have to wait for a few seconds again. So as you can see here, there what brings you here today. For example, I'm going to school. Let's select the school, undergraduate, graduate, student, and let's click on the continue. And now we need to choose our team members 2 to 5, and only me, I'm going to choose like the 2 to 5, and let's click on the continue. Select what you would like to focus on, the student organization, and after our individual work, it's up to you. I'm going to select the individual work. Let's click on the continue, and you have to choose the options according your need. One last question, how did you hear about? For example, I'm gonna like this one, and let's click on the continue. And after that, as you can see, who else is on your team, I'm gonna remind me later. Let's click on this, and your first project, the design one, and let's click on the next. And as you can see now, let's click on the next again, and these options are next again, next. So as you can see now, our account is created on the behalf of we answered. So as you can see now, this account is ready to use. So in this way, you can create your account on monday.com. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.